Hello everyone, in today's video we're talking about why intangible assets often pose challenges in PPA. So, let's get started. Intangible assets definition. Intangible assets, such as intellectual property, brand value, and customer relationships, are non-physical assets that lack physical substance compared to tangible assets like buildings or equipment. Subjectivity in valuation. Intangible assets face challenges due to their subjective valuation, which relies upon estimates, assumptions, and expert judgment, unlike tangible assets with market values. Lack of market comparables. The lack of direct market comparables for many intangible assets makes determining a fair market value was challenging due to the absence of similar transactions or assets. Future cash flow uncertainty. Intangible assets value is often determined by future cash flows, which can be challenging to predict accurately, particularly for emerging technologies with uncertain market acceptance. Evolving nature of intangibles. The rapid evolution of technology, market trends, and consumer preferences in intangible assets adds complexity to their long-term value prediction. Intangible assets offer significant business value, but their unique characteristics can pose challenges in purchase price allocation, necessitating a combination of financial expertise and industry knowledge. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos and information.